believe he could do the operation himself. He knows everything about medicine. What is this?
That's the itinerarium.
And what do I do with it?
You insert it in the end of the penis, then push it into the bladder to feel for the stone.
Excellent. What do I do with this and these?
You make a 3-inch incision, 1 finger's breadth from the line between the testicles and the anus, and then reach into my bladder with those tongues and grab the stone.
Behold the young scientist. It is most excellent to find a patient who has no irrational fear. No irrational fears.
Jane, I want you to say a word to Elizabeth.
I did yesterday.
Then we must wait. We must wait until she comes.
This often happens.
Jane, some money for the poor box. A shilling. For five shillings. So to make it 10, take it from my purse and tell Elizabeth, tell her.
Pepys, the itinerarium. If fortune smiles on us, you will faint from the pain.
Oh, God forgive me. Oh!